Hey traders, Tao Crypto update. Tao is up 8% in the last 24 hours, now trading around $322 with strong volume backing the move. The market is looking green today, but there's a bit of a pullback forming. So here's the big question. Is this the start of the next bullish momentum, or just a trap before another move down? When price pumps with strong volume, it often signals real interest, but short-term pullbacks can shake out weak hands before the next move. Key things to watch. Can TAO hold above recent support levels? Is volume staying consistent on dips? Any breakout above recent highs? If bulls stay in control, we could see continuation. If not, this might turn into a classic bull trap. Stay sharp and don't chase blindly. Let the market confirm the move. What do you think? Bullish continuation or trap? Drop your thoughts below. Also, quick update. We've just released our latest TAO price prediction update. Support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for TAO. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below.